Light inside of me, guiding me. Finally, I can see you. Light inside.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. See, I'm doing good. This is another video. This is another unboxing video. So usually during my unboxing videos, I would like to come on with like my foundation, my full beat on, but I don't know if this company gave me foundation, so let's see. I have a huge package here. This is from another indie brand that I found on TikTok. And their name is called Klasee with a K, Klasee. Klasee Beauty or Klasee Cosmetics. Let me check right now. Klasee Beauty by Deborah. And let me tell you guys a little bit about the brand as well. We have Klasee Beauty was founded in 2020 by Deborah. Oh, so maybe it's Deborah, I'm sorry. By Deborah, who saw a need for quality makeup at a reasonable price for women at all ages. We launched our product line because we believe every woman should be able to find herself in the world of beauty. So yeah, it's also vegan and cruelty free, and I love that. And this brand is actually Black owned. So I'm going to link all of the information in the description box below, and you guys can read more on the about me on the website. But I didn't look at anything. I actually just popped this part and seen the thank you card, and I was like, okay, I should just do this on camera. So that's what we're doing. And yeah, so these are the thank you cards, and I think it just briefly says what's included in the box, but let's just be surprised. So I'm gonna open this one last. I don't know what's in that. We're gonna take this out. What is this? Ooh, so this is a makeup bag, and I should have opened this before because I just went to New York and I definitely needed a bigger bag, so that's pretty cool. This feels like brushes. Envelope. Oh, it is brushes. So this is another cute bag. This is good for traveling on its own. It's a little wristlet. I love that. And here are some brushes. These are really cute. So that's a good thing that I didn't do my base first, because we get to play with the brushes. Here are the brushes here. I see some pretty good blenders. This is like a highlighter brush. This is really cool. I probably could use that for concealer, eyeliner, nose contour, another concealer for me. Pretty good. So put those to the side. What's this? Clothes? Oh my god, they gave me a shirt. How freaking cute is that? This is called Classy Chick. Okay. Not the Classy Chick shirt. I'm gonna have to wear this in my next video when I do a little tutorial with the eyes. That's so cute. We have, oh, not a set of clothes. So this is a skirt or dress. This is so cute. This is so cute. Squeeze my little behind up in this. This is so adorable. At the bottom of the bag, we have a soothing moisturizer. So I love the packaging. This is really, really cute. Has the ingredients on the back, which is really good. And I'm definitely gonna use this right now because I didn't moisturize yet. So let's use some of this moisturizer right now. Has a little smell. It smells like a moisturizer, so it's very soothing, like it says. Let's see what we have in this big box. I'm so excited about this one. So we have an oil control setting spray. I love that. I am an oily girl, so definitely gonna use that today. We have a regular setting spray. which is really, really cute. I will use both. Always use 2 setting sprays anyway, so these are perfect. And seems like this is an eyeshadow palette, maybe. I'm gonna find out right now. Klasee Beauty eyeshadow palette. And this is how it looks. I wish I had my nails on so I can click clack on it. Very, very pretty. So this is a nude palette. So we're gonna do a nude baddie look with this one today. This is a loose setting powder. This is called Natural Beige 01 Perfect Setting Powder. Ooh, okay, Klasee Beauty. The packaging is freaking adorable. I love this. So this is, like I said, natural beige. I love the color. If you can see, it's like a banana yellow color. This is another setting powder. This is the transparent one. We love a transparent powder because the transparent is going to give you that super highlighted look, and the packaging is definitely cute AF. And the last one we have is banana. So she does have a banana. Okay, so this one is banana. Oh, so the beige one is a little darker. Oh my god, I cannot wait to play with all of this stuff right now. So that's all I got so far from the company. Like I said, I'm going to link everything down below. I cannot wait to get into this tutorial. Fast forward this video right now. I'm going to do my base and I'm going to come back when it's time to put the powder on. So now I'm setting my concealer with my MAC C4 before I do my Klasee Beauty powder. And I always do this step. I think I'm gonna use natural beige, so I'm gonna just dump some in the cap. Now that I see it, I kind of want to use that on like my chin and my contour. Let's use banana under the eye, and then we're gonna use natural beige to cut my contour. So this one is banana. And I'm gonna dip it in, but I'm also going to tap off the excess. Damn, I didn't think it was gonna be that bright. Just gonna make sure I press it into my skin. These powders are really finely milled. I would say that this powder definitely set my under eye, but it didn't leave coverage. And I like more for my powders to leave coverage and set. So I don't know about this as a setting powder, but definitely to like yeah, it definitely doesn't leave coverage. It sets the product though. It sets whatever you have underneath. So it is a setting powder. It just doesn't have coverage to its powder like that. It's very sheer. So I can see me using this powder for like more of a natural look when I want to do something natural, because I usually like my powders to give me coverage as well. So let's move on to the eyeshadow. What we got so far for the eyes. What I'm gonna do is just use basically the same colors for the bottom lash line really quick. I use the brushes for multi-purpose reasons. For eyeshadow, I wouldn't recommend you use those brushes for eyeshadow, because eyeshadow you need a certain type of brush if you want your looks to come out a certain type of way. So if you want your looks to come out really defined, you're gonna need really good eyeshadow brushes. So those eyeshadow brushes, I would use those for face, like how I used it for contour, concealer. You can use brushes like that for those, but not to get like these kind of eyeshadow looks. I love this this brown in this palette. It's so pretty. And I'm gonna take like this color right here, and I'm going to, is it light enough? Hopefully it's light enough. If not, gonna pop it right here. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, let me just wipe some off. Pop some in the inner corner of the eye, just to brighten it up right there. Absolutely love how the eyes turned out. And again, let me show you guys the palette. I can swatch some shades for you before I move on to lips. Let's do this. So these eyeshadows don't have names on them, so I'm just gonna swatch the shimmery ones like I always do. That's the first shimmer. Here's the second one. They're very soft, the eyeshadow colors. I can see this all over the lid with the brown that I use. That'll be really pretty for an everyday look. And then we got one more. And this one is really pretty too. I can see this definitely as an all over lid color. That's the purple one. So yeah, that is your shimmers from your neutral palette from Klasee Beauty. Klasee Beauty. Be sure to check them out. I'm gonna leave all the information down in the description below. This eye is everything right now. I'm feeling myself. This hair is everything right now too. And I didn't even like it when I first wore it. I mean, I did like the color, but I don't know. A color has to grow on me again, even though I was like the queen of color back in the day. But anyway, shop Klasee Beauty. I'll leave everything in the description box below.